We want to remind you that we got you covered. We're here on the Weather Channel through midnight Eastern.
This is predicted to be the worst storm our state has seen since Snowmageddon.
I'm in a panic mode right now.
I feel like the best thing to do is just, assume for the worst and get everything you need.
If you don't have to be out, don't get out in it.
I would suggest that people pay attention to this system.
I'm going to see if I find something a little bit warmer.
Wait later. That's the only way to survive in all the snow.
I don't intend to leave.